Hi there, students. An eponym, a countable noun, eponymous as an adjective. Okay, this is talking about when something is named after the person who invented it, or it's got a person's name. So, for example, in a book, when one of the characters of the book is also the name of the book, that is an eponym. So, for example, Jane Eyre is a character, and the book where she's found is called Jane Eyre. Okay, so an eponym is a word or a name that comes from normally from a proper noun. The Turing test. Clearly, this is another eponym. Okay, so eponyms, these are very common. An object or an activity that's also the name of the person who first did it, or the name of a place that comes from a person or from an object. So, Georgian furniture. This is an eponymous adjective, because this is from a series of kings called George. Or, for example, did you know that Peter Gabriel, the musician, his first 4 albums were called Peter Gabriel? That's a case of eponymous titles or eponyms. Okay, so an eponym, this is something that's been been named after somebody. Yeah, eponymous, relating to the person or the thing after which it's named. Okay, so there are lots of different eponyms. For example, the word to boycott, it comes from an Irish land agent, Charles C. Boycott. Or Fahrenheit, the Fahrenheit scale, was named after Gabriel Dante Fahrenheit. Or the sandwich, it's named after the Earl of Sandwich. Okay, Reaganomics, this is the eponym of Ronald Reagan, and this is his type of economics. A Caesar salad, yeah, from a restaurant owner called Caesar Cardini, a Caesar salad. Okay, so there are lots of eponyms, and then there's the old joke. The doctor gave me the good news first, and he said I was going to have a disease named after me. Okay, that would be an eponymous name, wouldn't it? Okay, so an eponym, the name of a person, real or in fiction, that's given rise to the name of something. Yeah, so Romulus, he gave his name to Rome, the city of Rome. Yeah, or Alzheimer's disease from Alois Alzheimer. Yeah, Columbia from British Christopher Columbus. Okay, so there are in our language there are hosts and hosts and hosts of eponymous words. It's quite a common thing. Okay, so let's see. Formality. Yeah, this is a fairly formal word. I'm going to give it a 6.5 to 7. Use it in a semi-formal writing, or a formal writing as well. And then as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek, eponymos. Onuma, in ancient Greek, a name, and epi, near. But it effectively comes from this Greek word pneumos, or onoma, a name, epi, upon a name. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Eponym Eponymous.